Hey YouTube, in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to get the D-Rex in Jurassic Blocky. This is an awesome dinosaur and I'm going to be showing you some Jurassic Blocky codes that you can use right now to unlock all the dinosaurs, including the Distortus Rex. So before I start this video guys, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I do plan on making many more tutorials. So let's show you guys how to get to D-Rex in Jurassic Blocky Roblox using a working code. Now it is going to take you a few minutes of your time, so make sure you follow all of the instructions. Now as you can see here guys, I've got my mobile phone and I've opened up the internet browser. So do this on your mobile and just head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So exactly like this, into your mobile phone internet browser, and it's going to bring you to Cold Coupons. This is a awesome codes website. They specialize in game codes and they save you a ton of money. So what you're going to want to do guys is just use the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Jurassic Blocky, and this is the codes page that you need to find guys. And as you can see, there's a couple of different codes here. So when you scroll down, you need to select this one, the unlock all code. This is a Jurassic Blocky code, unlock all dinosaurs. This is going to get you not only the D-Rex, it's going to get you every other Rex as well. Super awesome guys. Like I said, this is the quickest and easiest method to get the D-Rex. So you do need to unlock your Jurassic Blocky code. Obviously these are limited codes, and considering this unlocks all dinosaurs, they're pretty desirable. So go ahead and click on get full code and you're going to see this screen here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now as you can see guys, you have a list of tasks on this page that are all completely free. You need to complete 2 of them and fully follow the instructions for whatever 2 of the tasks you choose. These are really easy things like mobile application installs, playing mobile games, stuff like that guys. Just complete 2 of them. I'm going to skip forward, I don't want to waste any more time, but your code will be revealed in this box. You can redeem it in Jurassic Blocky and that is going to get you all dinosaurs. But yeah, that is how to get D-Rex in Jurassic Blocky Roblox. Really easy, quick method guys. Head on over to Cold Coupons and find the Jurassic Blocky Roblox codes page and select the unlock all code. So I hope you enjoy guys. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.